Here's my bike. A little dirty now from the ride up. It's the cabin I'm staying in, the backside. Here's tent camping over here. Guy coming in on his KTM, looks like. Give you guys a little look at the place here. See the creek. You can see the fireplace right over here. Rocking chairs all along. Looks like some rain clouds right through there, doesn't it? A lot more tent campers coming in over here. Here's a nice trail down to the creek. Some chairs, fire every night. Come out and enjoy that. Nice place, bar, seats. This is actually where they show movies on the wall here, but you can see the seating. Lots of good seating in here. Blinds, window. It's cool. building over to the camping area. This will probably be packed full of campers by tomorrow, if not by tonight. I'm staying in cabin 1. It's right here behind me. There's some tent campers over there. I've stayed here quite a few times, here a few times, and I've actually stayed in this cabin on the other side. But I wanted to show you what it's like. This one is not as expensive as the ones facing the creek. Those are a little bit more expensive. But I want to show you inside because you guys want to know what it's like. So in a semi-private room, you got a common area here with the restroom, shower, toilet, and in the showers they provide shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, which is nice. You come in, got a cooler, and you have to pay for ice, but you get your own cooler. This is my dry bag. This is the Ortlieb waterproof. And then this is my Kermit chair, motorcycle chair. And these rooms, they're set up either with a king size or 2 twins. So it depends on how you want it set up. But pretty cool little room. Cross, place to hang some things. Wheels through motoring, the Blue Ridge. No smoking in the cabins. A few things here to policy. Get your own towels, wash rags. A heater when it's a little cool. These are my boots. Then you've got an AC. Another cool picture. Mirror there. You have a place to hang up your stuff. Helmet. So I got my tank bag and some toiletries and things here. So, and some extra blankets. Fan. Yeah. You can see out the window over toward the lodge. So that's it. That's a tour of this room, and it's a really cool place to stay. So, you know, hopefully if you're over in this area, you get a chance, you want to check it out. You can open these windows up and you can hear the creek all night long. Tell me that's not nice. Got Wi-Fi, all the good stuff. So, yep. Okay, that's a tour of the room. Okay, that's a little bit of the tour of the Iron Horse Motorcycle Lodge. Hope you enjoyed it. Unfortunately, I got to do just a little bit of work. So I'm gonna go get that done so I can enjoy the evening. Look forward to supper. Spaghetti, meatballs, be good. I'll see you guys later. All right, so there you have it. A little tour of the Iron Horse Motorcycle Lodge. That's Toccoa, North Carolina. See, the campground is pretty full. Well, dinner was good. Spaghetti. Good. I'm gonna change, get some warmer clothes on.